Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress. Today we'll be solving pattern 1 problem. So the problem statement states that given an integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like as below. 5 stars in 5 rows. So let's solve this problem. It's a simple uh, nested for loop problem. So for int I equals 0, I less than n, I plus plus, we'll start another for loop. Inside this for loop, we'll initialize a variable j is equal to 0, j less than n, j plus plus. We'll print system dot out dot print the star, but that's a string. Should put it inside a double quote and run it. This should be enough. So for wrong answer, why? Because my output has for every all the stars got printed on the same line. For print ln should have been in a new line. So let's evaluate this star star star, not on every line, but after every for loop there should be a new line. So system dot out dot print ln, I would say new line in backslash n. Let me run it. What's wrong here? Unexpected error, semicolon missing. Oh, semicolon missing. Okay, let's check it out. So all the test cases passed, but for one, let's review this. So for every j, we'll continuously print 5 n times star, and after every I think we should print a new line after the for loop. Sir, it says my output is also 3 stars in 3 lines, but somehow it's not accepting my answer. Let me check why. Accepted. Okay, let me submit this code. Okay, all the 22 cases passed. Thank you, friends.